I focus on finding technical talent really across the country and bringing it back to Atlanta. I've been in recruiting for about 14 years. I got started in recruiting because there was a young lady who said to me, you're not good enough for this job. And I ended up going to the founder of the company and saying, hey, this is what I would do to improve your business. For 4 years, that's what I ended up doing. What I'm about to share and what I'm going to share with the team today is I'm going to show people how to go into Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, and some other social networks. One of which I'm going to jump into today is I'm going to show people how to crack open a Google Drive and pull different documents out of that. I love being a recruiter because I get to build great people and I get to build great organizations. I say every day that it is my responsibility to find people who want to stretch their professional capabilities and do things that they have never done before. And I'm really having these intimate conversations with people about what powers them, not just to do great work for themselves, but what it takes to do great work for a community. And that's exceptional. And I love being able to empower those people to give even more back.